Welcome to Lamey Languages. Sentences and phrases. Past perfect continuous.
Yo había estado esperando.
I had been waiting. I had been waiting.
Ella había estado estudiando.
She had been studying. She had been studying.
Él había estado trabajando.
He had been working. He had been working.
Nosotros habíamos estado hablando.
We had been talking. We had been talking.
Ellos habían estado jugando.
They had been playing. They had been playing.
Tú habías estado corriendo.
You had been running. You had been running.
Había estado lloviendo.
It had been raining. It had been raining.
Yo había estado durmiendo.
I had been sleeping. I had been sleeping.
Ella había estado cocinando.
She had been cooking. She had been cooking.
Él había estado conduciendo.
He had been driving. He had been driving.
Nosotros habíamos estado caminando.
We had been walking. We had been walking.
Ellos habían estado viendo la tele.
They had been watching TV. They had been watching TV.
Tú habías estado leyendo.
You had been reading. You had been reading.
El sol había estado brillando.
The sun had been shining. The sun had been shining.
Los niños habían estado gritando.
The kids had been shouting. The kids had been shouting.
Yo no había estado esperando.
I had not been waiting. I had not been waiting.
Ella no había estado estudiando.
She had not been studying. She had not been studying.
Él no había estado trabajando.
He had not been working. He had not been working.
Nosotros no habíamos estado hablando.
We had not been talking. We had not been talking.
Ellos no habían estado jugando.
They had not been playing. They had not been playing.
Tú no habías estado escuchando.
You had not been listening. You had not been listening.
No había estado nevando.
It had not been snowing. It had not been snowing.
Yo no me había estado sintiendo bien.
I had not been feeling well. I had not been feeling well.
Ella no había estado practicando.
She had not been practicing. She had not been practicing.
Él no había estado durmiendo bien.
He had not been sleeping well. He had not been sleeping well.
Nosotros no habíamos estado viviendo allí.
We had not been living there. We had not been living there.
Ellos no habían estado prestando atención.
They had not been paying attention. They had not been paying attention.
El teléfono no había estado sonando.
The phone had not been ringing. The phone had not been ringing.
¿Habías estado esperando?
Had you been waiting? Had you been waiting?
¿Había estado ella estudiando?
Had she been studying? Had she been studying?
¿Había estado él trabajando?
Had he been working? Had he been working?
¿Habíamos estado hablando?
Had we been talking? Had we been talking?
¿Habían estado ellos jugando?
Had they been playing? Had they been playing?
¿Había estado lloviendo?
Had it been raining? Had it been raining?
¿Había estado yo soñando?
Had I been dreaming? Had I been dreaming?
¿Había estado ella llorando?
Had she been crying? Had she been crying?
¿Había estado él haciendo ejercicio?
Had he been exercising? Had he been exercising?
¿Había estado el perro ladrando?
Had the dog been barking? Had the dog been barking?
¿Habías estado buscándome?
Had you been looking for me? Had you been looking for me?
¿A dónde habías estado yendo?
Where had you been going? Where had you been going?
¿Qué había estado haciendo ella?
What had she been doing? What had she been doing?
¿Por qué había estado él corriendo?
Why had he been running? Why had he been running?
¿Cuánto tiempo habías estado esperando?
How long had you been waiting? How long had you been waiting?
¿Con quién había estado él hablando?
Who had he been talking to? Who had he been talking to?
Yo había estado esperando una hora.
I had been waiting for an hour. I had been waiting for an hour.
Ella había estado trabajando todo el día.
She had been working all day. She had been working all day.
Él se había estado sintiendo enfermo.
He had been feeling sick. He had been feeling sick.
Nosotros habíamos estado intentando llamar.
We had been trying to call. We had been trying to call.
Ellos habían estado viviendo aquí.
They had been living here. They had been living here.
Tú habías estado haciendo un buen trabajo.
You had been doing a good job. You had been doing a good job.
Yo había estado pensando en ti.
I had been thinking about you. I had been thinking about you.
Ella había estado aprendiendo español.
She had been learning Spanish. She had been learning Spanish.
Él había estado ahorrando dinero.
He had been saving money. He had been saving money.
Nosotros habíamos estado planeando el viaje.
We had been planning the trip. We had been planning the trip.
Ellos habían estado buscando una casa.
They had been looking for a house. They had been looking for a house.
Tú habías estado mejorando.
You had been improving. You had been improving.
Yo no había estado comiendo suficiente.
I had not been eating enough. I had not been eating enough.
Ella no había estado diciendo la verdad.
She had not been telling the truth. She had not been telling the truth.
Él no había estado teniendo cuidado.
He had not been taking care. He had not been taking care.
Nosotros no habíamos estado llevándonos bien.
We had not been getting along. We had not been getting along.
Ellos no habían estado estudiando suficiente.
They had not been studying enough. They had not been studying enough.
Tú no habías estado ayudando.
You had not been helping. You had not been helping.
¿Habías estado viviendo aquí mucho tiempo?
Had you been living here long? Had you been living here long?
¿Había estado ella esperando esto?
Had she been expecting this? Had she been expecting this?
¿Había estado él esperando mucho tiempo?
Had he been waiting for long? Had he been waiting for long?
¿Habíamos estado haciendo demasiado ruido?
Had we been making too much noise? Had we been making too much noise?
¿Habían estado ellos saliendo juntos?
Had they been seeing each other? Had they been seeing each other?
¿Cuánto tiempo había estado lloviendo?
How long had it been raining? How long had it been raining?
¿Qué habías estado pensando?
What had you been thinking? What had you been thinking?
¿Por qué me había estado evitando ella?
Why had she been avoiding me? Why had she been avoiding me?
Yo había estado buscando mis llaves.
I had been looking for my keys. I had been looking for my keys.
Ella había estado enseñando durante años.
She had been teaching for years. She had been teaching for years.
Él había estado dirigiendo un negocio.
He had been running a business. He had been running a business.
Nosotros habíamos estado viendo progreso.
We had been seeing progress. We had been seeing progress.
Ellos habían estado arreglando el coche.
They had been fixing the car. They had been fixing the car.
Tú lo habías estado haciendo genial.
You had been doing great. You had been doing great.
El bebé había estado durmiendo.
The baby had been sleeping. The baby had been sleeping.
Yo había estado esperando una llamada.
I had been hoping for a call. I had been hoping for a call.
Ella había estado escribiendo un libro.
She had been writing a book. She had been writing a book.
Él había estado pintando la habitación.
He had been painting the room. He had been painting the room.
Yo no había estado viendo resultados.
I had not been seeing results. I had not been seeing results.
Ella no había estado contestando llamadas.
She had not been answering calls. She had not been answering calls.
Él no había estado siguiendo órdenes.
He had not been following orders. He had not been following orders.
Nosotros no habíamos estado gastando mucho.
We had not been spending much. We had not been spending much.
Ellos no habían estado viajando.
They had not been traveling. They had not been traveling.
¿Habías estado haciendo ejercicio?
Had you been working out? Had you been working out?
¿Había estado ella viendo a alguien?
Had she been seeing someone? Had she been seeing someone?
¿Había estado él perdiendo peso?
Had he been losing weight? Had he been losing weight?
¿Habíamos estado yendo demasiado rápido?
Had we been going too fast? Had we been going too fast?
¿Dónde habías estado trabajando?
Where had you been working? Where had you been working?
Yo había estado sentado allí.
I had been sitting there. I had been sitting there.
Ella había estado parada afuera.
She had been standing outside. She had been standing outside.
Él me había estado mintiendo.
He had been lying to me. He had been lying to me.
Nosotros habíamos estado saliendo durante meses.
We had been dating for months. We had been dating for months.
Ellos habían estado esperando pacientemente.
They had been waiting patiently. They had been waiting patiently.
Yo no había estado prestando atención.
I had not been paying attention. I had not been paying attention.
Ella no había estado viniendo a clase.
She had not been coming to class. She had not been coming to class.
Él no había estado haciendo sus quehaceres.
He had not been doing his chores. He had not been doing his chores.
¿Habían estado ellos discutiendo?
Had they been arguing? Had they been arguing?
¿Por qué te habías estado escondiendo?
Why had you been hiding? Why had you been hiding?
Yo había estado viendo las noticias.
I had been watching the news. I had been watching the news.
Ella había estado limpiando la casa.
She had been cleaning the house. She had been cleaning the house.
Él había estado arreglando el techo.
He had been fixing the roof. He had been fixing the roof.
Nosotros habíamos estado cultivando verduras.
We had been growing vegetables. We had been growing vegetables.
Ellos habían estado pintando un mural.
They had been painting a mural. They had been painting a mural.
Yo no había estado durmiendo suficiente.
I had not been sleeping enough. I had not been sleeping enough.
Ella no había estado comiendo bien.
She had not been eating well. She had not been eating well.
¿Te habías estado sintiendo mejor?
Had you been feeling better? Had you been feeling better?
¿Había estado ella trabajando hasta tarde?
Had she been working late? Had she been working late?
¿Qué había estado él construyendo?
What had he been building? What had he been building?
Yo había estado paseando al perro.
I had been walking the dog. I had been walking the dog.
Ella había estado tomando fotos.
She had been taking photos. She had been taking photos.
Él había estado tocando la guitarra.
He had been playing the guitar. He had been playing the guitar.
Nosotros habíamos estado ahorrando para un coche.
We had been saving for a car. We had been saving for a car.
Ellos habían estado estudiando toda la noche.
They had been studying all night. They had been studying all night.
Tú no habías estado esforzándote mucho.
You had not been trying hard. You had not been trying hard.
Él no había estado haciendo amigos.
He had not been making friends. He had not been making friends.
¿Habíamos estado esperando demasiado?
Had we been waiting too long? Had we been waiting too long?
¿Por dónde había estado ella viajando?
Where had she been traveling? Where had she been traveling?
¿Por qué habían estado saliendo temprano?
Why had they been leaving early? Why had they been leaving early?
Yo había estado esperándolo con ganas.
I had been looking forward to it. I had been looking forward to it.
Ella había estado practicando diariamente.
She had been practicing daily. She had been practicing daily.
Él había estado quejándose mucho.
He had been complaining a lot. He had been complaining a lot.
Nosotros habíamos estado esperando lo mejor.
We had been hoping for the best. We had been hoping for the best.
Ellos habían estado buscando en Internet.
They had been searching online. They had been searching online.
Yo no me había estado divirtiendo en la fiesta.
I had not been enjoying the party. I had not been enjoying the party.
Ella no se había estado poniendo un abrigo.
She had not been wearing a coat. She had not been wearing a coat.
¿Habías estado siguiendo la historia?
Had you been following the story? Had you been following the story?
¿Había estado él usando mi computadora?
Had he been using my computer? Had he been using my computer?
¿Cuánto tiempo habían estado saliendo?
How long had you been dating? How long had you been dating?
Yo había estado esperando una señal.
I had been waiting for a sign. I had been waiting for a sign.
Ella se había estado sintiendo ansiosa.
She had been feeling anxious. She had been feeling anxious.
Él había estado contando chistes.
He had been telling jokes. He had been telling jokes.
Nosotros habíamos estado viviendo un sueño.
We had been living a dream. We had been living a dream.
Ellos habían estado haciendo planes.
They had been making plans. They had been making plans.
Tú no te habías estado manteniendo al día.
You had not been keeping up. You had not been keeping up.
¿Había estado ella luciendo cansada?
Had she been looking tired? Had she been looking tired?
¿Habían estado portándose bien los niños?
Had the children been behaving? Had the children been behaving?
¿Qué habías estado creando?
What had you been creating? What had you been creating?
¿Dónde él lo había estado guardando?
Where had he been keeping it? Where had he been keeping it?
Yo había estado cambiando mis hábitos.
I had been changing my habits. I had been changing my habits.
Ella había estado desarrollando una aplicación.
She had been developing an app. She had been developing an app.
Él había estado evitando el tema.
He had been avoiding the topic. He had been avoiding the topic.
Nosotros habíamos estado entrenando duro.
We had been training hard. We had been training hard.
Ellos habían estado ensayando la obra.
They had been rehearsing the play. They had been rehearsing the play.
Yo no me había estado concentrando.
I had not been focusing. I had not been focusing.
Ella no había estado devolviendo llamadas.
She had not been returning calls. She had not been returning calls.
¿Habías estado viendo a un médico?
Had you been seeing a doctor? Had you been seeing a doctor?
¿Por qué había estado él tan callado?
Why had he been so quiet? Why had he been so quiet?
¿Cuánto tiempo había estado ella enseñando?
How long had she been teaching? How long had she been teaching?
Te había estado extrañando.
I had been missing you. I had been missing you.
Ella lo había estado apoyando.
She had been supporting him. She had been supporting him.
Él había estado arriesgando demasiado.
He had been risking too much. He had been risking too much.
Nosotros habíamos estado discutiendo opciones.
We had been discussing options. We had been discussing options.
Ellos habían estado compartiendo ideas.
They had been sharing ideas. They had been sharing ideas.
Tú no habías estado compartiendo.
You had not been sharing. You had not been sharing.
Yo no había estado escuchando.
I had not been listening. I had not been listening.
¿Había estado funcionando la máquina?
Had the machine been working? Had the machine been working?
¿Habías estado tomando apuntes?
Had you been taking notes? Had you been taking notes?
¿Dónde habíamos estado fallando?
Where had we been going wrong? Where had we been going wrong?
Yo había estado aprendiendo rápido.
I had been learning quickly. I had been learning quickly.
Ella había estado comprando regalos.
She had been buying gifts. She had been buying gifts.
Él había estado reparando bicicletas.
He had been repairing bikes. He had been repairing bikes.
Nosotros habíamos estado combatiendo un resfriado.
We had been fighting a cold. We had been fighting a cold.
Ellos habían estado coleccionando sellos.
They had been collecting stamps. They had been collecting stamps.
Yo no había estado revisando el correo.
I had not been checking email. I had not been checking email.
Ella no nos había estado invitando.
She had not been inviting us. She had not been inviting us.
¿Había estado perdiendo la calma?
Had he been losing his temper? Had he been losing his temper?
¿Qué habían estado ellos celebrando?
What had they been celebrating? What had they been celebrating?
¿Por qué habías estado preguntando eso?
Why had you been asking that? Why had you been asking that?
Yo había estado intentando relajarme.
I had been trying to relax. I had been trying to relax.
Ella había estado organizando archivos.
She had been organizing files. She had been organizing files.
Él había estado entrenando al equipo.
He had been coaching the team. He had been coaching the team.
Nosotros habíamos estado visitando museos.
We had been visiting museums. We had been visiting museums.
Ellos habían estado ignorando las reglas.
They had been ignoring the rules. They had been ignoring the rules.
Tú no habías estado participando.
You had not been participating. You had not been participating.
¿Había estado ella regando las plantas?
Had she been watering the plants? Had she been watering the plants?
¿Había estado brillando el sol todo el día?
Had the sun been shining all day? Had the sun been shining all day?
¿Dónde había estado él estacionando?
Where had he been parking? Where had he been parking?
¿Cuánto tiempo había estado ardiendo?
How long had it been burning? How long had it been burning?
Yo me había estado olvidando de las cosas.
I had been forgetting things. I had been forgetting things.
Ella había estado demostrando su punto.
She had been proving her point. She had been proving her point.
Él había estado cavando un hoyo.
He had been digging a hole. He had been digging a hole.
Nosotros habíamos estado esperando lluvia.
We had been expecting rain. We had been expecting rain.
Ellos nos habían estado advirtiendo.
They had been warning us. They had been warning us.
Yo no le había estado teniendo confianza.
I had not been trusting him. I had not been trusting him.
Ella no había estado aceptando ayuda.
She had not been accepting help. She had not been accepting help.
¿Habías estado grabando el programa?
Had you been recording the show? Had you been recording the show?
¿Por qué habían estado cambiando de planes?
Why had they been changing plans? Why had they been changing plans?
¿Qué habías estado sugiriendo?
What had you been suggesting? What had you been suggesting?
Yo había estado luchando con esto.
I had been struggling with this. I had been struggling with this.
Ella había estado haciendo voluntariado.
She had been volunteering. She had been volunteering.
Él había estado diseñando un logo.
He had been designing a logo. He had been designing a logo.
Nosotros habíamos estado navegando el barco.
We had been sailing the boat. We had been sailing the boat.
Ellos habían estado investigando el tema.
They had been researching the topic. They had been researching the topic.
Tú no me habías estado actualizando.
You had not been updating me. You had not been updating me.
¿Había estado él diciendo la verdad?
Had he been telling the truth? Had he been telling the truth?
¿Había estado haciendo tic-tac el reloj?
Had the clock been ticking? Had the clock been ticking?
¿Dónde había estado ella estudiando?
Where had she been studying? Where had she been studying?
¿Cuánto tiempo te habías estado sintiendo así?
How long had you been feeling this? How long had you been feeling this?
Yo había estado considerando un cambio.
I had been considering a change. I had been considering a change.
Ella había estado tejiendo un suéter.
She had been knitting a sweater. She had been knitting a sweater.
Él había estado evitando el tema.
He had been avoiding the issue. He had been avoiding the issue.
Nosotros habíamos estado apoyándonos.
We had been supporting each other. We had been supporting each other.
Ellos habían estado haciendo senderismo en la montaña.
They had been hiking in the mountains. They had been hiking in the mountains.
Tú habías estado dominando la habilidad.
You had been mastering the skill. You had been mastering the skill.
El artista había estado haciendo bocetos.
The artist had been sketching. The artist had been sketching.
Yo no había estado cargando mi teléfono.
I had not been charging my phone. I had not been charging my phone.
Ella no había estado asistiendo a las reuniones.
She had not been attending meetings. She had not been attending meetings.
Él no había estado revisando las noticias.
He had not been checking the news. He had not been checking the news.
Nosotros no habíamos estado usando esa aplicación.
We had not been using that app. We had not been using that app.
Ellos no habían estado siguiendo el mapa.
They had not been following the map. They had not been following the map.
¿Había estado volando el piloto mucho tiempo?
Had the pilot been flying long? Had the pilot been flying long?
¿Había estado ella publicando en redes sociales?
Had she been posting on social media? Had she been posting on social media?
¿Había estado él sintiendo algún dolor?
Had he been feeling any pain? Had he been feeling any pain?
Él no había estado entregando los informes.
He had not been submitting the reports. He had not been submitting the reports.
¿Habían estado ellos pidiendo comida para llevar?
Had they been ordering takeout? Had they been ordering takeout?
¿Por qué había estado maullando el gato?
Why had the cat been meowing? Why had the cat been meowing?
¿Dónde habías estado invirtiendo?
Where had you been investing? Where had you been investing?
Yo había estado olvidando citas.
I had been forgetting appointments. I had been forgetting appointments.
Ella había estado explorando la ciudad.
She had been exploring the city. She had been exploring the city.
Él había estado transmitiendo películas.
He had been streaming movies. He had been streaming movies.
Nosotros habíamos estado calculando el costo.
We had been calculating the cost. We had been calculating the cost.
Ellos habían estado acampando junto al lago.
They had been camping by the lake. They had been camping by the lake.
Yo había estado preguntándome sobre eso.
I had been wondering about that. I had been wondering about that.
Yo no había estado actualizando mi currículum.
I had not been updating my resume. I had not been updating my resume.
Ella no había estado contestando correos.
She had not been answering emails. She had not been answering emails.
Él no había estado cerrando la puerta con llave.
He had not been locking the door. He had not been locking the door.
¿Había estado cambiando el clima?
Had the weather been changing? Had the weather been changing?
¿Te habías estado sintiendo mareado?
Had you been feeling dizzy? Had you been feeling dizzy?
¿Qué había estado construyendo?
What had he been constructing? What had he been constructing?
¿Cuánto tiempo había estado horneándose el pan?
How long had the bread been baking? How long had the bread been baking?
Yo había estado revisando mis apuntes.
I had been revising my notes. I had been revising my notes.
Ella había estado asesorando a un estudiante.
She had been mentoring a student. She had been mentoring a student.
Él había estado viajando al trabajo durante horas.
He had been commuting for hours. He had been commuting for hours.
Nosotros habíamos estado debatiendo el tema.
We had been debating the topic. We had been debating the topic.
Ellos habían estado observando los pájaros.
They had been observing the birds. They had been observing the birds.
Tú no habías estado verificando los hechos.
You had not been verifying the facts. You had not been verifying the facts.
Yo no me había estado disfrutando el clima.
I had not been enjoying the weather. I had not been enjoying the weather.
Había estado sobrecalentándose el motor.
Had the engine been overheating? Had the engine been overheating?
¿Dónde había estado haciendo voluntariado?
Where had she been volunteering? Where had she been volunteering?
¿A quién le habías estado enviando mensajes?
Who had you been texting? Who had you been texting?
Yo había estado apreciando la ayuda.
I had been appreciating the help. I had been appreciating the help.
Ella había estado traduciendo el documento.
She had been translating the document. She had been translating the document.
Él había estado instalando el software.
He had been installing the software. He had been installing the software.
Nosotros habíamos estado investigando la empresa.
We had been researching the company. We had been researching the company.
Ellos habían estado surtiendo los estantes.
They had been stocking the shelves. They had been stocking the shelves.
El músico había estado afinando la guitarra.
The musician had been tuning the guitar. The musician had been tuning the guitar.
Yo no había estado respaldando mis archivos.
I had not been backing up my files. I had not been backing up my files.
Ella no había estado alimentando a los peces.
She had not been feeding the fish. She had not been feeding the fish.
¿Había estado él usando casco?
Had he been wearing a helmet? Had he been wearing a helmet?
¿Habíamos estado hablando demasiado bajo?
Had we been speaking too softly? Had we been speaking too softly?
¿Por qué había estado aumentando el precio?
Why had the price been increasing? Why had the price been increasing?
¿Cuándo habían estado ellos practicando?
When had they been practicing? When had they been practicing?
Yo había estado clasificando el correo.
I had been sorting the mail. I had been sorting the mail.
Ella había estado asesorando a su cliente.
She had been advising her client. She had been advising her client.
Él había estado limpiando sus zapatos.
He had been polishing his shoes. He had been polishing his shoes.
Nosotros habíamos estado estimando el tiempo.
We had been estimating the time. We had been estimating the time.
Ellos habían estado navegando cerca de la costa.
They had been sailing near the coast. They had been sailing near the coast.
Tú no habías estado respetando las reglas.
You had not been respecting the rules. You had not been respecting the rules.
Yo no había estado compartiendo la información.
I had not been sharing the information. I had not been sharing the information.
¿Había estado tosiendo el niño toda la noche?
Had the child been coughing all night? Had the child been coughing all night?
¿Había estado ella solicitando empleos?
Had she been applying for jobs? Had she been applying for jobs?
¿Qué habíamos estado esperando encontrar?
What had we been hoping to find? What had we been hoping to find?
¿Cómo había estado desempeñándose el equipo?
How had the team been performing? How had the team been performing?
Yo había estado doblando la ropa.
I had been folding the laundry. I had been folding the laundry.
Ella había estado editando el video.
She had been editing the video. She had been editing the video.
Él había estado escaneando los documentos.
He had been scanning the documents. He had been scanning the documents.
Nosotros habíamos estado negociando el trato.
We had been negotiating the deal. We had been negotiating the deal.
Ellos habían estado trotando en el parque.
They had been jogging in the park. They had been jogging in the park.
El perro había estado cavando en el jardín.
The dog had been digging in the yard. The dog had been digging in the yard.
Yo no había estado reciclando.
I had not been recycling. I had not been recycling.
Ella no había estado corrigiendo su trabajo.
She had not been proofreading her work. She had not been proofreading her work.
¿Había estado esperando él una señal?
Had he been waiting for a signal? Had he been waiting for a signal?
¿Habían estado colaborando los estudiantes?
Had the students been collaborating? Had the students been collaborating?
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.